Hi everyone, Yalini here. Today we are gonna draw a sky from Paw Patrol. So let's get started. To draw sky from Paw Patrol, draw her eyes, draw a line, draw the same thing over here. From there go up, curve it and then come down. Draw the same thing over here. Draw a circle close to this edge. Draw the same thing over here, keep points and then join it off. Give highlights and shade it off. Do the same thing over here. Thicken this part. Thicken it over here also. Give eyelashes, maybe 2. Keep points. Do the same thing over here. In the middle of the eyes, draw her nose. Go up and then come down. Come to the middle and then go up. Come down from here, keep a point and then draw a smile. Cap it off and then draw her eyebrows. Thicken it and do the same thing over here. Come out from our eyes, keep point. Come down from there. Do the same thing over here. Continue to draw her face. Curve it and then join it off. Go up from there. Curve it. Stop over here. Draw her curly hair and continue to draw her face. Join it off. From there come down. Curve it a bit. Continue to draw it. Keep a point and then come down. Keep points. And join it off. Draw goggles, draw 2 lines, join it and draw the same thing over here. Keep points. Draw one more thinly. Draw her ears. Add details. Do the same thing over here. Keep point Draw a pop tag. Draw 2 lines and join it. From here come down. Come to the bottom and then go up. Draw the same inside. Draw a logo. Draw it like a fan. Go out. Come down. Draw the same thing over here. Draw her legs. Add details. Keep points. Join. Draw a paw. Go up and then come down and then join. Draw the same thing over here. Draw 2 lines inside. Keep points. Draw her jacket and then start to draw her legs. Keep points. Join it off. Draw her paw and draw a line. Add details. Continue to draw it. Draw some horizontal lines inside. So there, hope you guys love this guy from Paw Patrol. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Yarnly Fan Art videos. See you later.